It begins with the Earth's simplest gifts, harvested at peak perfection. Parallel streams of raw material converge with engineered harmony. Pure water, the silent foundation of every perfected drop. Secret botanicals, handled with guarded scientific care. All roads lead to the heart of precision production. Forklift, proceed to cane truck for unloading. Bundle secured, moving to conveyor. Clear the line, debris incoming. Watch for buildup on the grate. Transformation begins with controlled scientific extraction. Parallel processes converge through engineered precision. The first alchemy, raw elements becoming perfected recipe. Precision logistics bridge field and factory. Convoy lead approaching perimeter, all systems green.
Copy lead, formation holding, monitoring traffic.
Every mile engineered for freshness and security.
License plate confirmed. Proceed to biometric scan. Understood. Presenting ID. Biometric match. Access granted.
Left steady, align bay. Stop position, engage brake. Doors opening, prepare handoff.
Initiate discharge sequence.
Conveyor engaged, flow confirmed.
Material stream consistent, proceeding.
Conveyor stable. Efficiency at 98.25%. Throughput nominal. Next batch ready. Pressure at 2500. Flow optimal. TDS level stable. pH neutral. Valve interlocks green. Proceeding.
Every piece verified by human oversight and machine precision.
Roller gap at 5 millimeter. Distribution metrics at 95%. Quality checkpoint clear. Proceed to conditioning. Temperature stable at 22.5. Humidity at 45%. Residence time optimal is responding as projected. Discharge initiating.
Where raw potential meets engineered precision.
Badge and biometric confirmed. Proceed.
Thank you.
Safety protocols embedded in every movement and decision. Every system verified before production begins. Pre-op checks complete. Systems verified.
Calibration in progress, standby. Production mode active, monitoring.
Every system verified before production begins.
Weight verified. Sample quality approved. Handoff complete. Efficiency at 95%. Impurities down to 2%.
Throughput stable at 120 units per hour. Transition to wash cycle initiated. Progressive purification achieves production-grade cleanliness.
Moisture at 45%, efficiency at 92%. Drying rate is stable. Verifying final moisture content. Surface is ready for sorting.
Precision alignment enables accurate quality verification. Final verification ensures only perfect materials proceed.
Temperature stable at 85 degrees, proceeding. Pressure holding at 2.5 bar, yield at 92%. Purity confirmed at 99.5. Purity metrics verified, separation efficiency at threshold. Multi-stage purification achieves flavor perfection. Dosing parameters confirmed, ingredient ratios optimal. Mixing cycle complete. Transferring to primary vessel, integration commencing. Perfect integration creates the signature flavor profile. Every batch verified against exacting quality standards. Carbonation complete.
Clarity parameters within threshold, polishing complete. Quality thresholds achieved, ready for packaging.
Preparation complete. Initiating line activation. First product engaged. Quality metrics nominal. High-speed precision ensures every unit meets exact standards. Label application confirmed, accuracy verified, code readability and quality approved. Robotic precision ensures perfect case configuration and protection. Packing complete, container ready for sealing.
Seal integrity confirmed, label placement verified.
Every case sealed and labeled for secure, traceable distribution.
Layer complete. Pattern accuracy verified. Pallet stability confirmed. Load balanced. Transferring to stretch wrap.
Wrap integrity confirmed, load stable for distribution.
Every pallet secured for safe, efficient global distribution.
Scan confirmed, proceeding to weight. Weight verified, compliance parameters match. Final check complete, pallet approved for storage.
Pallet verified and stored. Retrieval command initiated.
Schedule confirmed, pallets are verified and ready for transport. Copy that, initiating transport sequence. Acknowledged, metrics are stable, proceeding to dock. Confirmed, load plan optimized. Pallet verified, proceeding to transfer. Alignment confirmed, secure load. Trailer loaded, ready for departure. Pallet complete, inventory confirmed. Scan verified, ready for dispatch.